The FIM 200 offers 200 times magnification. The FIM 400 offers 400 times magnification. These microscopes come with the 2.5 millimeter adapter already installed and an additional 1.25 millimeter adapter to cover most fiber applications. Additionally, these microscopes use an LED light to illuminate the face of the connector and fiber. The advantage of the LED light is that it will last a lifetime and draws very little power, giving you long battery life. Simple to use. To load the batteries into the microscope, unscrew the cap, install the batteries observing polarity, reinstall the cap. Insert the fiber into the microscope. Press the LED switch, turn on the LED, and adjust the focus wheel until the image comes into focus. These microscopes come with a light port that allow the user to insert the opposite end of the fiber into the microscope to illuminate the fiber for better fiber location.